Hello students. Today we have an exciting topic to cover as we dive into the art of welding and learn how to butt weld. Objectives of these videos are to prepare the MS sheet as per drawing, to set the sheet as a square butt joint with root gap and tack weld, to weld the square butt joint in flat position, to clean and inspect for surface defects. Let's start. Safety is our top priority. So always wear your protective clothing and gear throughout the process. Wear
respirator, gloves,
ear protection, steel toe rubber sole boots, fire resistant clothing, helmet and hood. The first step in creating our butt joint is to cut the sheet according to the drawing. The dimensions of each sheet should be 150 into 50 into 3. Measure carefully and make the necessary cuts. Once the sheets are cut, we need to ensure a precise fit. To achieve that, we'll grind and file the edges of the sheets to a grooved surface. This will provide a clean and flush surface, allowing for a seamless weld. After squaring the edges, it's essential to deburr and clean the surface of the plates. Here, we'll use a carbon steel wire brush and filing to remove any rough edges and impurities. A smooth surface will help us achieve better welds and ensure a stronger joint. Next, let's set the plates parallel to each other with a small gap of 1 to 2 mm between the plates. This flat position will be crucial for our welding process later on. Now that our setup is complete, it's time for tack welding. We'll tack weld both ends of the butt joint as shown in the figure. These tack welds will hold the plates in place, allowing us to proceed with the main welding process confidently. Before we start the main welding, let's ensure our welding machine is set correctly. Connect the torch to the positive terminal of the machine. For the butt joint, we'll use a 0.8 mm diameter mild steel copper coated filler wire, employing the stringer bead welding technique for a clean and strong weld. Set the welding current to DCEP, direct current electrode positive, at 90 to 100 amperes with a wire feed rate of 3 to 4 meter per minute. Additionally, maintain an arc voltage of 18 to 20 volts and a gas flow of 8 to 10 liters per minute. The stick out distance should be 8 to 10 mm. Weld the butt joint using the stringer bead technique and dip transfer mode. As you weld, focus on forming a keyhole to ensure complete penetration and even fusion of the plates. Once the welding is complete, it's essential to clean the bead using a wire brush. This will give us a neat finish. Finally, let's inspect the welded joint for any potential issues such as undercut, uneven bead formation, penetration, distortion, and to ensure we have a good bead profile. Note: use anti-spatter spray as and when the torch nozzle gets clogged with weld spatters. If this is not done, the wire feed will become irregular, causing unestablished arc, and the carbon dioxide flow will not be uniform, which will cause atmospheric contamination of the weld and porosity. Let's quickly summarize. For square butt joint, cut, grind, and file sheets, deburr and clean surfaces, tack weld ends. Use 0.8 mm filler wire stinger bead technique. Use DCEP current of 90 to 100 ampere, 3 to 4 meter per minute wire feed rate. Set 18 to 20 volts, 8 to 10 liters per minute gas flow, 8 to 10 millimeter stick out, weld with keyhole for fusion, clean bead, inspect for defects. There you have it, our step-by-step guide on how to create a strong butt joint. I will see you in another interesting and exciting video. Thank you and goodbye until then.